guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, in today's video, look. Oh, they cannot focus like that. See? We are starting to clean up Frank's room, office. Ganito siya kakalat. See? There's routers there. All over the place. May pupunta ditong ano guys, yung how do you call that, baby? They will clean the fungus. I don't know if you can see this because it's on my mobile. I wonder if you can see that. Lilinisin niya. Wait, I turned the... Yan guys. I-spray yan ng... May pupunta dito ngayon. I-spray nila yung mga walls namin na may fungus.
The cold.
Yeah, because of
cold
the cold.
Outside and warm inside.
Yeah, because it's cold outside, warm inside. Kaya nagkakaganyan yung wall.
Then it gets damp.
Yeah.
And then you get fungus.
Okay.
So since I'm at it, I might as well do all the dust, put all the dust away here.
Yeah.
Because I never was able to reach that lamp since probably, I don't know, since 2011.
And by the way, I arrived here 2017.
Yeah, and now we have 2019.
Yeah.
And I have to clean away the dust for 1 century.
Yeah. It's been a while, nah?
Fucking hell, eh?
So you're gonna...
It's crazy.
So, guys, look that, guys. May ano pa si Frank dito, guys, oh. Remembrance niya from... Nababasa nyo? What is the GP?
Grand Prix in France.
Grand Prix in France, Magni course. 1999. At yan yung mukha ni Frank's 1999. His face on 1999.
Kita, it's even blurred.
Yeah, blurred.
The guy couldn't take photos.
Kita nyo? Yan yung si Frank 1999. See? He put it all in the frame. And we were planning to change the decorations of his room, put my face all in the walls. Joke.
I got that from the Slovakian Air Force, from the crew, which was once in Bierset in Belgium.
Mm-hmm.
And they put their signatures here.
Oh.
The crews, but
yeah,
it's already faded. And I got so many of them.
See, ang dusty na niya, guys. Oh, look.
Jesus.
You can see that? See? You can see the part. I don't know how long is this here. Maybe 19 forgotten. So many dust there too. Copy.
These were the old days, eh, when I were really busy. That one here almost collided with the police helicopter here, which was there when they were taking off, and they got really a lot of trouble in the end. The pilot, how come he's going out straight like that when he has a corridor, how to fly? He almost collided with him. So that was busy Nürburgring in the 1990s, when it started to pick up, that there was more and more coming.
Look at that here. He has loads of pins from different types of helicopters and whatever is that.
Different units.
Units there. Not para type.
And rescue teams.
Yeah. And that's the map of the... What is that, baby?
Oh, Jesus Christ, eh. I wonder if you're gonna beep that, eh. What is that?
I don't know. It's map. I see it's a map.
It's a map, yeah?
Yeah.
No, it's art, actually.
What?
It's the art of God. What do you think?
That in?
I don't know, 1999. Something like that. 98.
1998. Frank, 1998. Look at that. He looks... I actually like that I actually like him there.
I have a mustache, or not mustache.
Yeah, you're like kuan there. You're like yung singer sa A1 band.
The fuck, eh?
Is that you too?
No, that's a friend of mine.
Okay.
The other guys are all friends of mine, except this one is a politician.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually my ex there.
Where's your ex there?
CJ, that's CJ.
Is this your ex?
Yeah, CJ.
Why she's there? My God, ex niya, guys, nandito. I want that out. I want that out. I'm serious.
They're all gonna go out anyway. They're gonna digitalize them.
Look at that.
Very old ex.
I was thinking it's a guy. Look at that. He's showing me his ex. He's still on the wall.
Here's my mom.
Your mom.
So she's
bad,
politician.
eh.
She's politician actually.
19.
Also the 1990s.
1990s. 1990s, I'm still child abuse pa mo I'm still so young that time. I'm still 1 year, probably baby. Hi guys, good evening. It's nighttime already. Ayun na-spray na yung fungus guys. Nawala na siya dyan. Actually, malinis na. Natapos ng in-spray nila kanina. Ganito na siya ngayon. Nilagyan kasi magpipaint bukas si Frank, pero clear niya lahat dito. You see? Empty na siya, hindi na siya masyadong madaming dyan. Nasa sala yung lahat ng gamit niya. Look. Ay, the rotor blade is still there.
Everything started in 1992 to get worse than it was since I started in 1988.
Ito pala yung ang side na inaano niyan ngayon guys, kini-clear. Diba kanina ang daming laman dyan.
So much dust.
Yeah. Nilinis siya dyan. Yun, tatanggalin niya yung mga rotor blades. Dyan, iti-take down. Kasi i-repaint niya ito bukas. Still the same color white. Paint. Coffee. Still there?
That's where the coffee is. I was looking for that.
He's
It's
looking
already cold.
He's looking for the coffee. Jesus Christ. Kaya natin to mamaya guys. Mamaya or bukas na pag magpipaint na si Frank.
Really complicated. Tomorrow I do the painting. Today
Repaint.
should be everything cleared.
I'm cooking actually adobo here. Nasaan ba yung... Uy. Luto na ata yung adobo ko pero wala pa akong rice. Yun yung adobo ko, dagang kigsabaw. Ako pang gipamala. Sarap niyan, luto na yung adobo ko, yung adobo. Tikman nga natin tong adobo, be. Sarap akong adobo, guys. Luto na yan eh. Wala pa lang kaming rice kasi kalimutan may nag-grocery shopping kami tapos nakalimutan namin ang rice tapos pag abot diri gisapot yung cooking nalimtan namong rice. Bibili ngayon si Frank doon. Nalabas pa yun. Bibili ng rice. So, ayo.
What do I have to do?
Good morning. This is what it looks like now. Our drinking. Oh, another cup of coffee.
That's important.
Okay.
You know, she has nothing else to do but to annoy my shit. Is that not what women are for? I think that,
Look, we hold the abs absolutely fat.
on video.
Abusive.
Needs to be censored now. It's not for children below 16.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I have to cover the tables so there won't be any paint
Okay.
coming to the chair
Where do you
tables when I
start?
do the ceiling.
Where do you start in the ceiling?
When I do the paint, I start on the ceiling. Yeah.
Ah, okay. We'll be messy here later. Should I move?
When I follow.
So much stuff here.
Yeah. That's what happens when you work.
Buang lang.
I have to turn down the TV here also because
It's not switch off. It's on.
it doesn't need to be switched off.
Ah, okay.
It just needs to be. Need to do the dust here seriously when I.
I want this room.
I'm not hearing you. What?
I want
I think
this
we have a
room.
slight transmission problem here. It's far too loud.
Vanity room, vanity
Don't
area.
hear you. What?
I want this vanity area. Look, the lighting also, babe. Let's check, babe, if I film here. Hi, guys. It's perfect, baby. The window, how it looks like in the color. We change office, baby. See? Looks, I have a natural lighting. Hello.
You don't have an office. So what is there to change?
In the bedroom. Looks nice here. Since you are...
I offered you. I moved my office into the bedroom. You said no.
Yeah, because where is gonna be our bedroom if you move your office there? You have loads
In
of
here.
stuff.
In here.
You're right. See? It's nice here. I can use this vanity area and Francine can stay here also. See? I film here on this side. Diba, guys? I will film here on this side. See?
So
Let's
this
try
might
it.
be,
Hi, guys. This is a see? The lighting here is natural.
Ella, can you close the door and then come in? Come in here and then take that end and then lift that over. Yeah.
I like it here.
Wait.
This is the smallest room actually, guys, in all rooms. This is actually for the...
Oh my god, it's snowing outside.
It's actually good for vanity area or baby room.
Nagtanaw ka darat sa si camera, Ji?
Yeah, I was looking also outside because it's so windy outside. Look.
You
There's a
want to
mirror
have
here.
this? From Frank? Yeah.
Yan yung back namin, guys. My pine tree dyan. Is that pine tree, right?
Yeah.
Pine tree. Yun. Dental. Daming kuan dito, oh.
So cool.
Daming. Francine is awake. And we're gonna go to Papa. We're gonna go to Papa.
again paint situ.
Okay.
Finish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful, there's the Hoover there.